Hey, how you guys doing? Today I'm reviewing my motorcycle. It's a 2024 Aprilia RSV4 1100. I recently put 13,000 miles on her. She is looking awesome. So far, there's been up and down with some manufacturer issues, but so far she's been reliable. Honestly, it has a lot of parts aftermarket. I installed a forged wheels on her. There is a SC Project slip-on. There's a Gabro stacks, and there's a sprint filter inside. Of course, the gas cap, phone holder, dyno grip, aftermarket levers and brake, resolve mirror, bigger windscreen. This really works. This is a huge windscreen, completely deflects all the wind. What else? Oh, the rear set. I forgot what the brand is, but it is an awesome rear set. Has a light rail brake. These ones, pretty cool actually. What else? We got a GP shift on this bike, as you can see. I'm switching it to a different brand. I'm not a big fan of the stock GP shift. Stock quick shifter up and down. Yeah, has a carbon rear guard. What else? Oh, Samco hose. As you can see, there's Samco hose in there. Yeah, so far that's all the miles I have on this bike. She's been awesome. She's been great. Just hit 13,000 miles on her recently. She been reliable on 8,000 miles. I had some issues. Manufacturers had to take care of it. There was a little issue with the leak. There was a leak somewhere. They couldn't figure it out for a month and a half, and they finally figured it out. Other than that, she's been reliable completely. Other than that, we had also issues with I think something to do with some kind of rattle. They fixed it all under the warranty, so I've been happy with it. It's been great. Warranties have covered everything pretty much. Yeah, it's a lovely bike. I really love the bike. I don't know, what is this? Seems like some kind of scratch. I don't know where this came from. It looks like a paint. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, yeah, she's been awesome. It's a lovely bike. Really fast. I recently hit 193 miles on her. Oh, I forgot to mention one more thing. The stock gearing is not stock. It's a 1-2 down, so it's more acceleration. Quick acceleration, 520 Shin sprocket kit. I like it the black color instead of the gold. It works. It pulls really hard. It's an amazing bike, and she sounds awesome. She's a lovely sounding bike with the slip-on kit. Yeah, other than that, really, I have no complaint whatsoever. I think this is one of the best bikes I ever owned. I had a Yamaha R1. This does not compare to the Yamaha R1. This is much faster. Sounds better, way better. I had an S1000 RR. That bike was comfortable for the road, but unfortunately it sucked with the seat. The seats, I don't know what kind of seat they have, BMWs, but they were terrible. I sold that bike and got rid of it. What else? I had a Ducati V4. That bike got really hot, extremely hot. It was intolerable. I couldn't even tolerate it in the traffic. This thing with the Samco hose and the coolant, ice engine coolant it is amazing. I don't feel any heat whatsoever. I deal with this bike all the time. It's sick. Sounds amazing, looks amazing. I cannot rave about this one. If you're on the fence of buying an Aprilia, go for it, dude. It's definitely worth the money. This bike currently is on sale. I'm trying to sell it. If anybody's interested, hit me up. I'll leave my contact info on the YouTube channel. Yeah. All right, guys. You take care. Bye.